So, well, this is the ICT month celebration ng the ICT. It's actually National ICT month. Declaration ng president natin yan. But yeah. So I'm Sherwin, part of KaiZen Robotics in partnership with the ICT. Gumawa kami ng Robotics and Internet of Things na exhibit. So it features yung mga gawa ng mga local talents natin, yung mga robotics and all the gadgets that they can think of using open technology. Yun yung mga technology that uses you can just buy all these things locally, and then as long as you know how to program, which is the specialty of ICT, you'll be able to create a lot of things. So let's start with this one na lang. Sige. Okay. Yeah, I'll set that. So this is there's a sensor here that reads yung yung kamay na to. So as long as walang disturbance, like for example ganyan, I'll put out my hand. Use yeah. Yan. Okay, so through the Internet of Things, nako-control yung robot hand, no? So nakikita niya, very sensitive siya. So if I put my hands out like that, gagayahin niya. Tapos I close my hands. Okay, ilabas ko yung isa, susundin niya. Ganyan. Or I can also twist it. So it really depends on how fast your internet connection is. So magli-link siya ng ganyan. So that's pretty cool project. We call this the Shadow Bot. The Shadow Bot. Moving on, let's ito po ay tawag natin dito ay the Doctor Strange na electric fan. 'Di ba pag si Doctor Strange paano po siya magmaganan siya. So kunwari yan, gusto kong iyon. So that's the Doctor Strange electric fan. It uses a simple na gesture controller na sensor. Itong sensor na to very cheap to buy, except that nobody really uses it kasi I don't know, it's not very popular, but it's pretty cool to be able to use your hands to do all these things.
Paano mo siya start? Ilan yung
ano ba? You wanna try po? This is the sensor, so you go clockwise. Faster na bit.
Panood ka ng robot.
Ayaw niya.
Closer pa.
Yeah.
Yan.
Dapat turo, hindi ano.
You can also switch it off counterclockwise.
Pag-stop.
Bilisan natin. Okay, stop na. Subukan. Ayan, nag-stop na siya.
Okay.
Alright. Sige. So, the next one.
Abracadabra.
Counterclockwise po yun. So, off po yun. So, kabilang side mo. I-on mo ulit.
Ikaw hindi ka nasunod sa test script
Fail.
Kabilang side.
Papatakbo yung kabila dapat.
Ay, kapag...
Oo.
Nalito na ako.
Kasi dito baliktad lumalabas sa camera. Sige ba, I'll show you the next one. So this one is he has this helmet. Mamaya na. Okay, sige. So ito muna. So this is called the spy bot. Excuse me pa. We're also recording pala, by the way. So excuse me pa. So the spy bot is a really low cost na parang magsaspy siya na camera. It has a camera that almost live stream siya. And it costs around less than 1,500 po. Ito isang buong robot na we can really use as a spy bot. Let me just show you how it works. So if you can see here, almost live stream si ma'am. Yan, kita. Ay, nawala yung screen. So depends on how you code it. mapapalabas mo sobrang bilis for a low cost na material. And then it has 50 meter. It uses Wi-Fi na infrared data. And then yeah, you can actually kung gusto mo
Marites siya.
Correct. May malaking marites. Ewan ko anong tawag doon. So, may mas malaking marites. Actually, tapos pwede mo rin siya i-record yung ginagawa niya. Tapos i-play mo, gagayahin niya kung ano yung ni-record mo na movement ni Marites. I think we should rename it to Marites. Share of you, ma'am. So this is a pretty funny na gadget. So yung helmet niya has parang sensor, parang yung sa cellphone natin. It has accelerometer, gyroscope, so alam yung movement nyo. Ilagay namin doon, ikakabit namin sa dito, so you'll be able to get yung you'll be able to get yung movement na gagaya. So ewan ko, nanonood kayo ng Airwolf dati? Airwolf, the helicopter, may helmet yung guy, tapos yung sa baba niya may baril. So kung saan siya tumingin, sinusundan ng baril. So the childhood dreams that we had before, kayang-kaya na natin gawin, even when for simple things like this. So yeah, kabit niya lang sa certain things. Yeah. Alright, okay na. Okay, this one, I don't know if na-remember nyo yung mga naka-gloves na hand signal and all. Tapos it was popular in last year sa online stuff. So this one is almost similar to that, but you don't need gloves. It really uses artificial intelligence to check your hands, yung lahat ng fingers mo kung anong ginagawa. For example, ito, may audio siya, says ano? Yan. So, anong babasa niya? Peace, diba? O kaya kung
Drawings parang mafia.
Okay. Okay.
Rock and roll. Hello.
Maputi kasi yung kamay ko eh.
Love you.
So you can use it. Depends on how you record it, how you program it, so malalaman niyo yung yung ginagawa. So ito si malaking Ate Marites.
Si Aling Marites.
Oo. All terrain. So this is the drone area naman. So the drones that we have are not the ones that you buy yung bulk na, yung commercially nabuo na. This one is for educational purposes, yung mga thesis. If you wanna do special things with drones, you use this. May boards tayo na binibenta, and then the students can just create what they want. For example, boring kasi yung mga standard na drones, so you can actually make ano ba to, dragon. There's the other one doon, sobrang laki na dragon din. Yeah. So ito yung pinakamaliit, is educational na drone natin. Next one. Ma'am, magre-record din tayo. So thank you for being my audience, and I really appreciate it para marinig na. So alam natin na I don't know if somebody's colorblind, and 10% of Filipinos are colorblind. Especially me, ako sobrang colorblind talaga ako. If you're an ECE or meron kayong electronics course, it's really difficult for you to find out kung ano yung resistance ng ating resistor. So this one, ginawa ni Victor na for you to be able to actually get the resistance value just by pointing at it, no? Ay, Victor, subukan mo. Yeah. Ano
So, pag nag-scan ka ng resistor na gusto in question, hindi mo na kailangan i-identify by color kung ano yung equivalent values niya. So, ang gagawin mo is i-scan mo lang siya ng itong regular, actually this is a regular USB camera. Any webcam should work.
Yeah. So hindi mo na kailangan memorizein yung brown, yung yung rape our young girl, but
Table of
yung table ng colors na sunod-sunod. So you don't really need to do that anymore. Next one is just, this is using a Jetson Nano na ang camera na nagde-detect ng objects tulad ng tao, person nakikita. So if you if you program it correctly, kunwari may tatlong tao, may gagawin siya. Pag may nakita siyang tatlong tao, pwede niyang gawin yon. Or kunwari bawal ang cellphone, di ba? So we can pag naglabas kayo, ipoprogram mo lang na, thank you. Yan, cellphone. Pag may nakita siyang cellphone sa klase, for example, kaya
Hindi niya ma-detect.
hindi pa siya tinrain. Baka kasi masyadong mahal yung relo ni sir. So, hindi siya common na object. Mostly common na objects po yung ginagamit niya. So, we also made something like this, kutsilyo naman. So, pag may kutsilyo na nakita, or pwede rin sa baril sa bangko, pwedeng ganyan. Tapos, titirahin kanya ng soft pellet or mag-alert siya. So, those are the things that we can really do with these things.
Mga relo ginagamit sa pagpasabog, di ba?
Ayun.
Dapat kasama yan doon sa nandito. Depende sa pag...
Okay.
Sherwin.
Ay, sorry. Ano ko lang nag-shoot lang kami. Hi. So, the next part is really the face mask recognition. Ted here is a college graduate of TUP. Yung sa TUP, they created this face mask detection recognition. So, what you do is, pag papasok ka sa gates, for example, kukunin mo yung temperature, and then if I'm wearing a face mask, nade-detect niya. Yan. But, access yung gagawin, no? But, if, for example, ito, tapos wala akong face mask, without face mask, try again, or hindi mapasok. So, it uses artificial intelligence to be able to detect kung suot niya. Tinrain natin na ito yung itsura ng face mask, and then ayun, tsaka niya i-allow ka o hindi. So locally made, this guy here made it, so pretty cool. So with all these technologies, ito actually hinahanap ng people here in the yung nag-i-invest sa Philippines. Ang number one, the most innovative company in the world is Dyson. Nandito sila. They're actually hiring over 400 robotics engineers. Kaya sila nandito hoping na makakuha pa sila ng more people to be able to join them. So, ayun. And then, one of the things na pwedeng gamitin talaga is yung 3D printing. I don't know if meron kayong 3D printer sa bahay, ma'am.
3D printer?
So again, as I was saying, all these creations are the things that Dyson really would like to have as part of their group, yung mga tao na gumagawa nito. So that's why they're here, really to look for talents. So yun yung nandito. And then also the 3D Bolt, pwede i-shoot lang namin sandali yung sa 3D printing part. So sir, excuse, dadaan lang sir. So this one is a nakalimutan ko, yung rover na to is a 360-degree camera na, rover siya. Kasi, kaya siya ganito, kaya nga rover, hindi pwedeng tao, dahil lahat nito, 360, nakikita niya. Alam natin na in the future, metaverse na, diba? So you wear a head, parang VR glasses, so iikot kang ganyan. So kung may cameraman dito, paglingon ng tao, bigla kang magugulat kasi may tao. That's why you need a rover, para wala siya makita 360. So it's like this guy is actually here, this robot is actually here. So the last part is the 3D printers. So itong mga 3D printers na to are low cost ones that are very most of the makers are really using this. And then MakerLab is one of the pioneers when it comes to these kinds of technology. So this one can make like this toy, gawa lang siya here, ganyan. it's made in 8 hours. Iwan mo lang, matulog ka lang. By the time na meron ka nandito, ilaro kay Bunso, or whatever costume that you can make. And these are also the things that we use for the robot hands na nakita nyo kanina. So you just connect it to motors and it's perfect already. You already have that. So we also have this one, yung Ender na, anong tawag dito, Bolt? So Ender 2 Pro is actually the lowest, one of the lowest cost na gusto mo mag-aral mag 3D print. 7,500 lang, you'll be able to have a 3D printer at home. You can make anything that fits this this square. So, and it's so easy to make, para kang nag Microsoft Paint for example, diba? So easy to make yung mga 3D devices. And right now, pwede mo rin i-download yung mga stuff na yan so you can just print. Or you can buy them. Yeah. So basically that's the entire segment or show natin sa Robotics and IoT. Thank you for joining us. Ma'am, clockwise and counterclockwise. Thank you po, ma'am, for joining us.